Well, this is the aftermath of yesterday's incident. Johnny on the tractor, just teaching him a little bit about it. He's getting a little better here and there. So this is the mess that we made yesterday. It's yeah. We got a lot of cleanup to do. Starting to look kind of bare out here, but these elm trees were in really bad shape, and then we had quite a few ash trees that got the ash borer beetle, and they were all dead and needed to come down before somebody got hurt by them. So we got most of them all taken down, and now we're ready to do some cleanup.